What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create a Discord bot. Here I have Discord open on my browser, and you must know that in order to do so you have to open Discord on your browser. The application won't do this task. So first, before I proceed, I must make sure that the developer option is turned on. So I'll go to settings here, user settings, click on it, scroll down a bit in the tab on the left here. And here I can click on advanced and make sure here that the first option, the developer mode, is turned on. If it's off, you can check it here to turn it on. And from here, from the same option here, you'll find here a link that says Discord API. So click on it. It'll open a new page. From the tab on the left, select applications, click on it, and then click on new application. You want to name it, so let's name it test bot, and then check the terms and conditions, tap on create, and from this page you want to select bot here from the tab on the left. Here you can edit or customize your bot's settings, add an icon and so on, and once you complete all the settings, your bot will be created.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.